In this video, we are going to show you how to install this 4K mini dashcam provided by Cievie for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your 4K mini dashcam, measuring at 2.71 inches by 1.41 inches and another 1.41 inches with a 1.5 inch IPS screen. The front camera records at 4K with a wide angle view of 170 degrees. The camera is 360 degree rotatable with an option to record inside the cabin. This is your power button, which duals as a one-touch video lock button. On the other side, we have your USB-C power port with your micro SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gigs. And they do include a 64 gig micro SD card. Your 12-volt cigarette plug adapter, along with an expanded USB port, a couple of electrostatic films, 2 extra adhesive, a trim tool, a few mounting clips, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So I plan to mount this dash cam behind this rear view mirror right around this area here. Next, you want to power your dash cam using your cigarette plug adapter. However, I do have a power adapter right up here. Easy install, less wiring, controlled by ignition. Also has a continuous mode and a time mode. All you need is a short USB-C cable. Go ahead and plug in to your dash cam. Then plug in to your power adapter. Now, let's go ahead and start up the vehicle.
Start recording.
Now you want to go onto your phone's Wi-Fi. Look for Cievie C200. Go ahead and connect to that. Enter your default password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect. Okay, now you want to go back to the app. Open up the app. We're going to go ahead and hit the plus button on the top right corner. Next, connect to Wi-Fi, camera switches, and now you're connected to your dashcam. Bottom left is where your videos are stored.
Stop recording.
Tap and hold down on a video to select, and on the bottom left you can download or delete that video. On the bottom right is your camera settings. You have sound recording, you can turn that on and off. You have your volume control. You have your video resolution, 4K or 2.5K. Loop duration, you can adjust that to 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. You can change your light source frequency, turn on and off your time watermark. You have a 24-hour time clock, you can turn that on or off. Change your date format. Your camera rotation, you can set that to auto or just turn it off. You can adjust your collision sensing. This will lock the current video when an impact is detected. You have your screensaver. You can have the screen turn off in 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. You can change your camera's language. You can change your Wi-Fi's name, change the password, see which version you have, format your SD card, and restore to factory settings. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.